we just go? Can we just go? Get off where we're going. Can we just
So it's currently very late right now. I got in not too long ago, but I am definitely not in the mood to pack and go through my whole travel routine right now. So I'm actually going to continue on this video into this upcoming weekend where I'm going to be doing my sheets, unpacking everything, you know, all the post-travel stuff. So I wanted to at least start off this video to let you know what's up. But basically, I just got back today. It's Sunday, the Sunday of Easter Sunday, Resurrection Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to kick off this vlog. I'm pretty sure throughout the week I'll be unpacking things I'll need throughout the week, and I'll see you in a few.
Search until you find it, say it's in the time in time. I just call it righteous, 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 I just call it righteous,
So it is clearly Friday now. I've gotten on the ball, as you just witnessed a few seconds ago, with getting some more things done as far as getting back into my routine. Things that I do after traveling. Obviously, one big thing is unpacking and washing laundry, which is what we're literally about to do. But another thing is filling back up my car, which I did on Monday. Going grocery shopping, which I also did on Monday. Let's get to putting this hefty load into laundry. Currently actually getting ready for work, so that's why I'm in my closet. I want to quickly sign off this vlog. Thank you so much for coming along and watching this whole process of me kind of getting my life together, getting all of my things in order after traveling and getting back into the swing of things. If you did enjoy it, remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.